My name's Jason MacInnis. I live in Westside in Kamloops, BC. I decided to go solar, mainly, a cool investment in the house to lower our costs in the future, to lock in your prices for hydro cost reduction as they go up. That if someone could have told you 10 years ago, if you invested now, they'd lock in the first 60% of your gas tank at X price, would you have bought it? And of course the answer would be yes. It was way cheaper 10 years ago. So that's what really convinced me here. Riverside was great. So I shopped around to a couple of companies, but Riverside came really highly recommended from a couple of friends of mine. So I reached out, got a quote. They did an initial estimate based on some satellite imagery about what kind of reduction I could see. And then they sent out a drone to come do a better, more site-specific view of my property and my house and how I'm oriented. And I actually made the effectiveness of the solar go up, which is always great to see. So they were really helpful, really easy to deal with the whole time. They're really happy to work with you guys. Everyone's been super helpful, from your office staff to the people that were on site. It was great to see. The on-site team really sold me. They were in and out in a day. They did a great job. No wires on the outside of my house, which was a nice bonus. I thought I was gonna have to live with some black cabling on the outside. But the on-site team was really clever and were able to get in and out in a day and get me set up. Nice and clean job when they were all done. It was great.
Hi, I'm Shanna from Riverside Energy Systems. If you want to go solar like Jason, click the link down below to learn more.